We are a professional PTC maker. We can customize the heater you need. Welcome to our factory.
Shanghai Yidu Electronics Company Limited was established in 2002 and is located in Shanghai, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. We have our own affiliated factory. We are specialized in PTC heaters. Our main products include PTC heaters, fan heaters, aluminum heating pipes. Our heaters have been widely used in a variety of equipments such as clothes dryers, egg cookers, incubators, smart wardrobes, ticket gates, vending machines, disinfection cabinets, printers. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Russia, USA, Germany, UK, Korea, Japan, Australia, Turkey, Southeast Asia, and Eastern Europe. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. In the past 10 years, we have developed thousands of new models and types for our customers. We are happy to provide solutions to the customers through our expertise and experience in the PTC field. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products. We have a strong R&D team and production capacity. If you have any questions and requirements for PTC products, we will quickly give solutions, production, and delivery with reliable